Hi everybody, it's Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making a gin and tonic. It's a really simple drink, but it's keto friendly. I've started a keto diet, so check this out. It's gin, diet tonic, ice and lemon, but I can tell you it's one of the tastiest drinks you can drink. Now, I'd like to make a shout out to everybody in this collaboration for the hashtag drink tips. So the hashtag drink tips this month are Chef Adventures, Just 88, Blake Hadrian, Jamie Mack and Bite and Chew. Thanks for joining in. I'm looking forward to seeing your videos. So let's get to making this super simple, easy drink. But the first thing we're going to do for this super friendly keto drink is to take some Bombay Sapphire gin. I think if we're going to do one, we might as well do a big one. So we'll make it a double. And we'll add that to the drink. There's already ice in there, as you can see, but we're going to add a little bit more ice in a minute. Next up, we're going to add a lemon, or a slice of lemon. We give it a little bit of a squeeze, take the pips out, and plonk that in. Now, we're going to use some fevertree tonic water. This particular one has elderflower in it. That makes for a really good drink. And always a delicious drink. So we'll just top it up, just like that. Add another slice of lemon, some more ice. And I know it's a simple drink, but I can guarantee you it's super tasty. So the next thing to do is the taste test. Thanks everybody for joining in this month, hashtag drink tips. Here's my gin and tonic. See the lemon? Doesn't that look pretty? Lots of ice. And the elderflower tastes amazing, and it's got 0 carbs in it, so you can drink it if you're on keto. Yay! Win-win. So thanks everybody for joining in the collaboration, hashtag drink tips. Please do see all their iCards and links that I've put in the video. And I'll see you again soon. This is Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again soon, guys. Thank you everybody for joining.